how to turn off caller ID on Android. First of all, on your Android device, open up your phone application or tap in the phone icon from this home page on your Android device. Once you get to that, now head over to the top right corner and from there tap on three dots icon. Now from this drop down box, tap on settings. Now once you land in this settings page of your phone in your Android device, there you will find an option as calling accounts, so tap on that. Now there you will have your SIM card settings, so select your SIM card in your Android device. After you select the SIM card settings, now head over to additional settings and tap on that. Now in your additional setting, there you will have an option as caller ID. Tap on that and there you get an option to hide contact and tap on hide number. After that, the caller ID of your contact or any of the incoming call will be hidden in your Android device. So that was the way to turn off caller ID in Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.